This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Investcorp India Acquisition Corp. It is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IVCAF, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar, type the ticker IVCAF, and look for the Investcorp India Acquisition Corp listing. Select the result that shows IVCAF on NASDAQ to proceed. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker match IVCAF before moving on. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, your order will be queued as a pending market order. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming the transaction. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.